What can games teach us about solutions for business? What can we learn the best elements from game design and apply to real-life world problems? I say, as a business leader, you have a responsibility to know what gamification is, what can we use it for, and how to get the best possible solution from the best elements of game design. Daniel Pink, a famous author who wrote books such as Drive, A Whole New Mind, and To So Is Human. He contends that there's 3 pillars that motivates everyone to take action and change behavior. They are autonomy, mastery, and purpose. Autonomy. Everyone would like to be in control of their own environment. Life is so chaotic that sometimes we don't know which one, where's left, where's right, where's up, where's down. We don't know what is the next step or they're going to bring. But when you create an environment that creates an autonomy and you can control your actions and see the pathway to success, you sow the seeds of achievement. Second is mastery. As a person, you would like to make sure that your skills are always increasing and you operate at the edge of your ability. Let's face it, I don't want to be stuck in the same old level of mastery that I have been yesterday. I want to keep going forward. And third is purpose. Most people that I talk to, in fact, I had a lunch with a friend yesterday, and she told me that she worked for a company for 20 years. And those 20 years are gone in a flash. And what does she have? She has recognition from her employer, possibly maybe monetary rewards, but she feels a deep lack of purpose. And purpose for her is to be part of something bigger than herself. It's something that she's been working for the 2 decades and decades before to be a bigger person and a contributor in a meaningful way. So as a game designer, specifically game designer in a business setting, we can learn from autonomy, mastery, and purpose and help achieve goals faster. There's a term in gamification industry that you will learn. It's called PBL syndrome. Just because you can assign to a process elements of game design such as points, badges, and leaderboards does not mean it's going to stick. Just because you put a lipstick on a pig, it's still a pig. You have to look deep inside and ask why. What is the purpose that we can move our people forward? And when you create an application or a process, make sure that you create a system, not just a product. Because a product by itself will not get traction. But a system that is intertwined with a human motivation will get you farther. I'll see you next time.